Hey, it's Livy. Happy Mother's Day! And if you're not a mother, why don't you take this opportunity to go give your mom a hug? I'm gonna go do that. For this video today, I'm going to be drawing a butterfly wing. It's going to be the first in a series of 3. Obviously, I had to post this video the day after Mother's Day because I didn't want Grandma to see her card before she opened it. I thought that would ruin the surprise a little bit. So for this project, I'm going to be using a heavy-duty marker paper so the marker doesn't leak through on the other side, white copy paper, painter's tape to stick them together, pencil, eraser, and I'm still thinking about pen and Sharpies. Maybe I'm not going to use them, but they're always very, very handy to have on your desk anyway, and they're my go-to supplies. I'm going to draw a sketch of the butterfly wing onto the copy paper. From there, I'm going to tape the marker paper on top of it and use the light box beneath everything to illuminate those lines through, so I get the really nice guidelines without having the actual graphite on the marker paper. From there, I'll color it in. So this butterfly is looking pretty good. As you can see, it looks kind of faded right now. That's because I started with extremely light yellows and extremely light grays, and I'm now going in and darkening up both the yellow and the gray. That's a good technique to start light and then darken from there, just so you can preserve the highlights and really make them pop up against that dark color. So these are alcohol markers. They're very messy. If you watched a previous video of mine, I got a big stain on the table. The marker's messy. Can't wipe it off with a regular paper towel. I'm messy. So isopropyl alcohol really cleans that up fast. About the colors that I chose, I chose some warm yellows, and therefore I picked a warm gray to go with it. If you notice, the gray looks a little purpley, a little reddish, a little purpley. It's because it's a warm gray. I thought warm would complement the warmness of the yellow a little bit more than a regular gray or even a cool gray. I think if it had been cool gray, it definitely would have clashed with the yellow. So that's just another thing to keep in mind. I can cover this more in another video if it seems interesting. Thank you so much for drawing with me. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!